We are at gotomath.com. I added something here that's quite interesting that you utilize in your Google Docs if you've ever used Google Docs, but you can click on that and you might catch me actually working a problem out. That'll take you to my Google Docs whiteboard. And of course, if you have a question, we can talk about it here. I think I'll be actually putting some more links to Google Docs since we can work live in Google Docs. Anyway, this is a related rate problem. We're in section 3 here working some calculus. Let's move this over. It says let x and y be differentiable functions of t. Find dy over dt when x equals 3, dx over dt is equal to 1, and of course y is equal to 4x to the fifth. So this is what we're going to be taking the derivative of with respect to t. So let's move over to the new whiteboard. Alright, so this ought to be interesting. Always am excited to try new things out. And hopefully everything works out here. This is going to be a little bit different. Alright, so we want to find dy over dt. That's what we want to find. And I think I'm going to change the color there to blue. How's that? Okay. We're given x is equal to 3. And having a little bit of problems here. X is equal to 3 and dx over dt. Yeah, I noticed that the line segment is equal to 1. Alright. Y. One thing about this, even though it's kind of funky, I seem like I have a little bit more control over it. We have, we'll just write it here, y is equal to, I don't know if it's my pen. I can't be messing around though. I don't have much time. 4x to the fifth power. Right? So we want to take the derivative. Derivative of y is 1, so I'm just going to write dy over dt is equal to, and then we take the derivative of this, we have 4 times 5 is 20 x to the fourth power. Alright, we want to subtract 1 from that, and then we write dx over dt. And we wanted to find dy over dt, so there's dy over dt is equal to this right here, and of course that's a 4. Now what we're going to want to do is we're going to want to just plug in 3 in for x and then 1 in for dx over dt. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and do that, I guess right here. Good place to do that. Figure out. So 4, so that's going to be times 3 to the fourth power, and then this is going to just be times 1. Okay, so 3 to the fourth power is what is that, 81, and 81 times 20, who knows what that is, but anyway, so there you go. And let's actually move back over to the web page and see what happens here. 81 over 20 must have been 620 there, is what that must have been. Let's see, 81, 20, 0, 2, yeah, that's right, and then 16, 2 times 16, okay. Well, there it is. We're in this section right here, and we're doing related rates.